Hey guys, wanna know how to change your character outfit in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first up, changing your outfit of your character is pretty simple. Now, once you've opened the PUBG Mobile application, you should be provided with this screen right here. And on the bottom right, you can see right beside the arrow icon your inventory. Just simply select inventory right here. And on the first tab, by default, you should be provided with these outfits right here that you have already acquired. So you can just simply select any one of these. So for me, it is not downloaded. So if it's not downloaded for you as well, just simply select download and select it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Once your download is done, you should be automatically equipped just like this. You can see the change in your character as well. And once you're there, just simply close the inventory button. And there you have it. Super simple and easy. Now this will be applied to your matches, team deathmatch, and so much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.